How to change the year on Google Earth. If you're into exploring the world with Google Earth and want to see how the planet has changed over time, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the year in Google Earth and view satellite images from different dates using the Google Earth. Whether you're curious about past landscapes or want to see how a location has evolved, I've got you covered. First things first, you can open Google Earth app or simply go to Google Earth website. Now, let's jump straight into how you can change the year and view past satellite images. After you've opened Google Earth, once you're inside the app, search for the location you want to explore. You can either type in the name of a place or use the search bar to zoom into a specific area. After you found your location, look for the time icon. This will allow you to change the year and view historical satellite images. Once you tap on the time icon, you'll be able to scroll through different dates and see how the satellite images of that location have changed over time. A timeline or slider will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can slide it left or right to see the images from different years. This is super helpful if you want to track the development of cities, forests, or even changes in the environment. And that's it. Now you know how to change the year and view satellite images from different dates in the Google Earth.